The phone's still got mud on it, as you can see, and that's because I buried it. It was driving me up the wall. Yeah. Can you hear it? Can you hear it?
Yeah. Whoa. I'm recording this.
You filming it?
Yeah.
I should have put my best pants on, shouldn't I? Right, where was it? Is it here? Is it ringing now?
I heard it then. Yeah.
That's it. Come out. I was only put it in here for a week. It should still be loose. I can't hear it.
That's it.
I can hear it. That won't pick that up though, I don't think.
Ew, how are you going to get in there? Yeah, you can, I think you can.
This is the right spot because I dug 2 spots, but one of them was full of holes. This might be full of stone.
Can't hear anything now. Oh. Yeah, I heard it.
Is it
I heard
ringing?
it, yeah.
I heard it dead loud over there when I walked past.
I know, well, I've been trying to record it when I hear it, but...
Yeah. Can you hear it?
Oh,
I
don't break it, yeah.
I don't smash it up though.
Was that you hitting it then, that noise?
Oh, I bet it was. There it is. Can you hear it?
Yeah. How are you gonna get it out? Don't rip the bag.
Oh no. It sounds weak though, doesn't it?
I was gonna say, it sounds worse.
Might be out of mud on top of it. Stopped. Oh.
I want to catch it like when it's still ringing. Ooh.
It's moving, look. It's weird, ain't it?
Do you want to help?
That's alright. Trina, wait.
Easy. That was weird, isn't it?
It is weird. See, if there's anything mechanical, oh, so mudding the thing now. It would have stopped by now, under the ground, surely.
Yeah.
Weird, isn't it? Go back a bit so I can see it through your phone. Let's have a look. Yeah.